I got all on the dresser. Fits perfectly. It's a tiny bit big, but I put some batting between the dresser top and the wood corners I put on there so it hold it in place. It does move a tiny bit, but I wanted to protect the top of the dresser also, so the batting will protect that. But it's an old dresser I got at a garage sale years ago for my daughter for $5, and we changed all the hardware, painted it as a pretty wood top. That's why I want to protect it. It's kind of like a dark stain. So I have to put this up a little bit farther so I can get the drawer open. And then we attached a outlet to the side of the dresser so I can plug my iron in. I don't have to lean all the way over to the back behind the dresser to plug it in, which really is nice. And then I've got my little IKEA cart. I think I got it at Target. I think everybody carries them now, to hold my ironing supplies. So I'm really happy with it. Looks pretty cool. It's got a nice surface to iron on. Here's my old ironing board. Probably posted on Facebook Marketplace. Got it at Costco. It's been really nice because you can keep it at countertop height or you can lower it to sitting height. So I thought I'd give you a little tour of my sewing room, but I'll do that on another video.